It's the last ride on the CBR600 today. Traded it in for a 600 2024. So let's make our way to the dealership. It's got the paperwork waiting and the bike all ready to go. Got my woman on the way there and stuff. So here we go, guys. It's been a great ride with this little bike. Learned quite a bit, and excited for the new one. Oh, guys, this is the 600, bro. Alright guys, it's a little windy out today, but it's the next day later. I put 80 miles on the bike yesterday, and so far I'm loving the bike all the way. Got the clock set on it and everything. Got 80 miles on it so far, so it's pretty crazy. Really enjoying this bike so far. If you guys want to see some more videos, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time. This is my stock 2024 Honda CBR600RR. See you guys later.